Okay, so this is going to be a fairly rough and ready video. I'm going to do it in, just try and do it in one take and upload it. I've had quite a few questions and follow-up questions about fitting a side skirt, so I'm just going to cover some things regarding that, and I hope it helps. Certainly I've had Heiko-san message me and quite a few others, so if you've got any other questions after this video, you know, please get in touch and I'll help you where I can. So the first thing is, when I fitted these, to line them up, I took the line along the straight edge of the body line just under the door there. One thing to consider is just make sure you drop that, the edge of the skirt, don't bring it up so it's proud there, just drop it down below, otherwise you're going to continually be catching feet and things on that, and you definitely don't want that. But if you take that as your straight edge line for lining the skirt up on the body, then the rest will just follow, and you'll be fine there. Now, in terms of how they were fitted at the end, I used stainless steel self-tapping screws. So you put one there, you've got a return here just underneath. You'll have to take these out, and that's in the other video. You've got a return there of about 10 to 12 mil of steel edge. So I put one at the top, and then I think you can just see there's one at the bottom there. So two in there, and then that stops that pivoting and obviously holds that edge or this end of the skirt nice and tight. Now, in terms of underneath, with mine I had problems. You can see there that for some reason the length of the skirt doesn't meet where these plastic grommets should have gone. This needed to be extended by probably another good inch. So what I did to get around that is I just used, once again, stainless steel self-tapping screws into the seal, and I put plenty of those all the way along. Now what you should do is pop that rivet out. You'll drill a hole there the same size as the section of that plastic retainer to go through there, and then that is actually what holds it in place. You can use riv nuts if that's what you want to do. Any kind of fixing will be fine. It's just got to be nice and solid, because obviously you're going to have wind and things going under there, and if you're doing speed you don't want it moving around. So then that's nice and solid. I am going to sort of seam weld that, because there is some undulation. Let's just focus that a bit better. There we go. There is, if you look along, there is a little bit of undulation there, which I want to just tidy up and neaten up. So I'm going to use some grey sort of panel adhesive, Tiger Seal, or in the UK you get Sikaflex, I think it is. I've got a tube of that, so I'll use that probably when it gets a bit warmer. I've got bits here which I've got to deal with, and this is the problem with glass fibre kits, as opposed to you know, the actual TRD stuff, which, as I say, I waited 3 years before I finally gave that up and just went down the kit I could actually get route. So I'm going to warm this up. I'm going to put some panel bond in there. I'm going to sort of put pressure on it to keep it back, you know, for a few hours, and then once again I shall seam weld, if you like, that there. And I think that's about it, really. I haven't got anything else I think I can add. As I say, if you've got any other questions, let me know. It's just started snowing here. Brilliant. It's about 3 degrees today. It is really cold. So one of the things that I definitely would say is that you know, if you've got the option, definitely do this in the warm, because it's going to be a lot easier in terms of manipulating the skirts around. So yeah, that's it. Any other questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.